Greater Noida is the city of dreams, fostering smart business and living.
It is a revolution. It is a change that India is witnessing. The economic activity is getting a huge leg up, and the industrial infrastructure landscape is getting better than ever before. And making all this happen is a master design and an immaculate plan. Construction of the industrial corridors that is just transforming the way business, transportation and supply chain management functioned in this country. It is unprecedented and unparalleled.
Greater Noida is one of the most planned, smart and a futuristic city of Uttar Pradesh, and also very strategically located in the national capital region of Delhi. It has several unique features which by itself makes it a very attractive proposition for the investors, not only from within the country, from all around the world to come and invest here in Greater Noida.
25 minutes from the national capital of India, Greater Noida is a city that is burgeoning as one of the most advanced cities of India. Impressive growth index, attributes of a future city and planning that is impeccable makes Greater Noida a town of expanding horizons. Developed by the government of Uttar Pradesh through Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority, an innovative model of far-sighted town planning and robust physical and social infrastructure is a prime example of a self-sustainable future city with unique integration of industrial, commercial, institutional and residential zones. To prosper and attract people and industries to a destination like Greater Noida, its physical infrastructure has an incredible role to play. Long stretches of solid tar roads inside the city, excellent connectivity through rail and air has made Greater Noida an obvious choice for investors and residents. A 130-meter wide road serves as a backbone and connects the northern and southern parts of the city. An impeccable Yamuna Expressway making into this sprawling, maintained township is a different experience together. Uninterrupted power supply managed by a private company and 24-hour surveillance with cameras have paved the way for a convenient, self-sufficient community living and thriving business atmosphere. Businesses are brisk in Greater Noida, where luxurious hotels, clubs like JP Green Resort, a one-of-a-kind golf course designed by Greg Norman are places for a great retreat. Its commercial complexes of international standards like Grande Venice, Ansel Plaza, Omax, Connaught Place are not only places for trade but to deliver world-class experience of shopping and recreation. Multinational companies like LG, New Holland, Honda have been successfully operating from this master-planned city, where domestic companies have progressively prospered, well supported by its robust industrial infrastructure.
Greater Noida not only provides the facilities for big potential investors, but it is ideal for the small investors or the startups, the stand-ups, and I would welcome the potential young entrepreneurs of India and abroad to come and set up their units. The biggest advantage is the ease of doing business. Here I think it is a one-stop shop where you just submit your application and the allotment is made the next day. All you need to do is to just file your application and then the rest is taken care of by the authority.
The world of business and trade has descended in Greater Noida in the form of India Expo Mart and Center. It is spread over 58 acres of land and has a unique combination of trade mart with exhibition and convention facilities and is well linked to the main ring road of Delhi through a 8-lane expressway. Greater Noida is one of the most planned cities of India, well equipped with knowledge parks which boast of premier technical and management education institutions like Gautam Buddha University, Galgotia University, Bennett University, GL Bajaj Management and Research, and many more, are producing professionals who will spearhead India's skilled workforce in the future. The city is also home to reputed schools like Delhi Public School, Father Agnel School, and Pragyan for a Better Tomorrow.
There's a lot of recreational activities that is already available here. We have a golf course, we have a large number of sports complexes, both in the public and private sector. There's a lot of other clubs and other facilities. Besides, the Surajpur Wetland Park is another attraction for the nature lovers. I think this is an ideal place to be in.
This green city is also the intersection point of eastern and western dedicated freight corridors, making it the hub of transportation activities and gateway to Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor. It enjoys connectivity with Eastern and Western Peripheral Expressway, Metro Rail and Delhi-Howrah Railway Line. The upcoming airport at Jewel will turn this city to be one of the biggest hubs of economic activity. Yet another feather in the cap of Greater Noida is the creation of Integrated Industrial Township, a flagship project for Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, which has been designed with world-class standards envisioned as a sustainable and smart community. The entire township will thrive on supervisory control and data acquisition, or SCADA, for real-time monitoring and management of utility services. One of its kind in India, DMIC IIT GN will usher India into a new age of smart integrated industrial township, where technology will rule the roost to provide best of industrial and residential facilities to facilitate economic activities. A modern, eco-friendly, high-tech city, what DMIC IIT GN pegged to be, today simply exemplifies each and every component of a smart framework, whether it is planning, mobility, surveillance, citizen applications, grid solutions, water management, or integrated building management system. DMIC IIT GN will offer spaces for businesses with plug-and-play facility, a ready infrastructure to kickstart any business in its smart buildings. In addition to this, the construction of multimodal logistics hub will usher a boom in the efficient storage. Transitioning of goods to and from UP sub-region will turn this city to be one of the biggest hubs of economic activity. The proposed multimodal transport hub will be a state-of-the-art railway terminus, which will be further supplemented by an interstate bus terminus (ISBT) and mass rapid transit system (MRTS) station that will facilitate the transportation activities exponentially. One of the 24 smart cities planned by DMIC IIT Greater Noida will set a precedent for other cities to follow to exhibit excellence in developing a city of future.
We welcome investors across the world to come and invest in this unique township of IIT GNL, which is modern, planned. Don't miss this opportunity. Let's hold hands together and walk towards a bright future.
In India's quest to become an industrial superpower, DMIC is playing a critical role with IIT Greater Noida, offering great opportunities to investors to contribute to Uttar Pradesh's growth story and building a new India with Greater Noida becoming the hotspot of development.